Yeah, so as we usually do on the channel, in this video I'll be comparing the Blackview BL9000 with the Blackview BL8000. I'll be comparing the specs of both devices. So without further ado, let's dive in. So both rugged phones have unique rugged designs. They look different, and of course both rugged phones feature a rear display, which is very nice. And in terms of specs, both devices feature 6.78-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display, and the display is protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus. Now the rear display of the Blackview BL9000 is 1.32-inch in size, and it has a resolution of 360 by 360, and it's protected by the Gorilla Glass Victus, while the rear display of the Blackview BL8000 is a 1.3-inch 240 by 240 display with the Gorilla Glass 3 protection. The BL9000 is powered by the Dimensity 8020, while the BL8000 is powered by the Dimensity 7050. Both devices run on the Android 13 with Blackview's custom skin on top. Both devices also utilizes 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage. In the camera department, both devices feature a triple rear camera setup. The cameras of the BL9000 consist of a 50MP primary sensor, a 13MP ultra wide angle lens, and a 2MP depth camera. The device also has a 50MP front facing camera for selfies and video calls, while that of the BL8000 consists of a 50MP primary sensor, an 8MP ultra wide, and a 2MP depth camera, and the front facing camera is 16MP. Now thanks to the rear display, you could use the main camera of both devices to take a selfie. The rear display is also highly customizable. Now both devices pack an 8800 mAh battery. The BL9000 supports 120 watts fast charging, while the BL8000 supports 33 watts fast charging. So other features of both devices includes a side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock support, dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, OTG. Both devices are rated IP68 and IP69K. They are also military grade standard H10H certified. They support FM radio, GPS, and so on. So these are the top features of both devices. And as regarding the price, there's no official price yet, but I expect the BL9000 to be a little bit expensive than the BL8000. So that's it for the video, guys. Which of the two devices do you think pack the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.